Fetty, we need more aggression.
I started.
All right, guys, we're very excited to present to you Jason Park. What is this, Fetty? Why did you buy this and bring it here?
It is the Kyro.
That's as good a jokes as we can get. Read something backwards.
Pretty good.
What does it mean? Oh gosh.
Oh.
There's a note. By removing, you agree to the following. I didn't really know. Soul Arc boards are designed to enhance the senses of surfing, creating transference from the wave to concrete. Soul Arc boards present shapes by Mitch. A design style backed something. Whoa.
What the frick?
in the world?
What does it do? What does it mean?
Like an animal.
A dynamic style backed by proven unique attitude.
Where's the tech deck?
It's proven.
Proven unique engineering design, demanding precision handling and an aggressive attitude to ride. Do you have an aggressive attitude when you ride this?
Possibly.
In essence, Soul Arc boards and clothing are changing the way surfers get around on land. Looking good,
get around?
less work, and a better ride. Warning, to use this product, you must be an advanced skater. Well, I'm out. And be fully able to stop without a braking system. Skating requires caution at all times. Okay,
beautiful.
Let's just see what this thing is.
Yeah.
Is this supposed to be like that shark thing? That thing that you like, go like that and it's like cruising the wave?
I don't think so.
What are we gonna do with this?
Kickflip off.
This?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's go skate it.
It looks like a fish.
Way too aggressive right now. You need to calm down.
Fetty, we need more aggression. That could be kickflipped.
You think so?
Yeah.
What? You would die on the Braille drop. You would bottom out. It's like, I'm so angry there's no surf. I'm just kidding. I'm not making fun of surfers. I love surfers. No way this can be kickflips. No way. Maybe.
Yes, it can.
Maybe.
Oh, this is cool. Oh. This is what surfing feels like. Oh! Did I get off the ground?
I don't think so.
You try to put the tail down and then it just doesn't go down.
So do you think you no slide this?
I don't know. Me no knows. No, I don't get, you like fall backwards when you try to pop.
Wow.
Yeah, I started doing yoga, so this sport's not right for me.
Dude.
That's not that bad, yeah. Oh my god, I didn't even see you.
So aggressive.
I'm aggressive, look out.
Oh! Oh!
All right, hold up. Can we get a formal kickflip off going here?
Well, you're
first.
first.
I get, yeah. Cool.
Oh!
My ankle hurts. It's on fire.
The pressure is on. Hard flip, you know?
Wow.
So I go for that real quick.
Kickflip.
Just a kickflip? It's just a kickflip.
Oh! I like it.
I think that actually broke my ankle in half.
They're sort of having a formal kickflip off right now.
Oh, sorry. I just come right in the middle.
Ow! All right, Fetty, come on. Don't let me down. Whoa. Aaron, you can insert yourself in after Fetty.
It hit me in the burn.
Fun fact, Fetty is a legitimate black belt. Aggro. Okay, right here, first try for jump juice.
Oh! Oh!
I promised one guy in the comments that I would stop yelling. Sorry, guy.
All right, right here.
We are not trying the frontside flip.
For Evil Lord Cthulhu right here.
Oh! Wow.
All right.
Wow.
We are not worthy. We are not worthy.
All right, Aaron.
Body
This is the one.
All right. Full toe. All right, let's go again.
Oh!
That was aggressive.
All right, right here, dog. Yeah.
I like it.
No way. That's impossible. Oh, let me get a kickflip first. You had one try. Oh!
Come on,
It is so
Kyro.
hard!
You got that. Come on.
It's a commitment issue. It's like my ex-girlfriend.
Oh! Wow.
Okay, I want to try one more thing. That's as close as I can get. You want to hit the mini? Or you want to tray flip it?
I'll try a couple more trays. If not, then mini. Oh. Feels like it'll work.
Oh! Not bad.
So much energy involved. Oh! Alright, yeah. It's going down. Oh! Should I get a cleaner one?
You can tray flip anything, anything!
It's my aggressive nature. Oh, I can't even stand on it.
That was beautiful. Just
Ravioli,
like
ravioli.
you.
Give me the formuoli.
The people ask for us to go outside and skate street. We give the people what they want. Mini ramp with the Solarc board. I think that's literally all I got. Oh, you got it. Oh!
You would not believe how funny that tail stall looks, dude. Just look at that.
What do you mean just look at that? This is my life. Whoa! Whoa!
See how it locks into a blunt. Oh man. Oh man.
We got a little bit of a hang up there. See that? It's that thing. I mean, maybe. Well, if there's anybody that can do it, it's you.
I think the best way is just not to think about it and just try it, right? Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh! Okay. That'll work.
That is so weird looking.
Okay, rock baby.
A little more aggression and you got it.
Still got me up. It's like that, huh? And it's turning me that way.
Gotta go straight perfectly up.
Yeah. Oh! I was ready to go in.
Not ready, now.
Dude, no way.
Oh, that was fun.
No. Just know.
Gotta replay
Soul
that.
Arc.
That'll work. Thank you, good sir. Blunt flip rock? I'm thinking yes.
That was aggressive.
Saving the
Oh no!
After one of those, I would just quit skating forever.
That was front wheels again, huh?
Fully coming off.
Just like my 7th grade counselor said, just too aggressive. Yeah, okay. Oh, dude, every time.
Man.
All for Gabriel.
Oh my God.
That was his first Luck of the Gab experience right
Wow.
That was for Gab.
That's why they call it Luck of the Gab. What did you do?
I ollie the fun.
No, you didn't. You just
I
nothing.
did it already. Ollie onto it.
Ollie onto it?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
That's a bad idea.
Great idea. Do that. You're gonna ollie onto it.
I like that. Me likey.
I fully saw that coming.
Yes.
Yeah, I keep landing on the side of it. I gotta land perfectly on it.
I love how he's like, oh, Ollie onto it.
I didn't think he was gonna roll away from that.
How does he do these things? I don't know what he does.
What? That was the sickest thing you've ever done, dude. Did you think that was gonna happen?
No, I thought it was just gonna slide off, but I guess I rolled it out. I don't know how that works.
Wow, well that was nothing short of an experience. Yes, and thank you, Soul Arc, for making this thing. This is not a sponsored video. They did not sponsor this. They did not even send us this for free. We went out on the internet and purchased this all on our own. But I would like to give a huge thanks to @JasonParkSucks and @FettyPotter because they killed this Soul Arc situation that is occurring right there. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. We certainly had fun making it for you, and we thank you. I have been reading your guys' comments. I have been listening to what you're saying. A lot of people are wanting us to go outside. We were going to do that today, and we thought it was gonna rain, and then we got here, and it was not raining. And I was like, I am a bad person. We are really, really, really excited to invite you to come to the Braille House and skateboard with us on April 7th. Rumor has it that Andy Schrock will be in attendance with Brian Ames and some other really incredible people. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Definitely check out all the other videos in this playlist. And if you guys are not yourselves learning how to skateboard, then you are officially blowing it, and you should learn how to skateboard because it is so fun and you will love it. And here we go.